Hello everyone, I will introduce myself and today is Tuesday, October 4th of 2022. My name is Cheyenne Joseph. My mom and dad are named Stephanie and Clifford. I have a little brother who is named Mateo. How often do I do activities on? When I wake up, which is on a daily basis, I brush my teeth, I shower for hygiene reasons, I do my hair, I do my skincare for hygiene reasons, I eat to energize myself before usually going to school if the country does not have security problems or gas problems on the daily basis. Then I learn in school for knowledge and wisdom. I also have fun with my friends there during recess. I play with them and all, whether it's board game or card games or anything. And then after school, I eat and then to energize my body on the regular, but sometimes I would eat and go to dance, or I would go home, eat, and then after I would start my homework and then I would go to dance. I do not go to dance every single day, but I think I have like one or 2 days off of dance in the week, which means that I we can say that I go to dance on a regular basis. After dance, if I did not start my homework yet, I would get it started and get it done if it's not due for the next day, or if I already started it, I would just finish it. Then I would go to sleep, or I would chill on my phone to energize myself and all. Thank you.